Inside the NC Symbol Tool Magazine, you will find a new function that will link to the Machining Cloud application. There are two ways to launch it, either on the web or directly from a local client. To use this, you must first register your account and then create what's called a job. Opening a job in the management will contain a list of tools where you can create your entire library directly in the application. It's also possible to display the 3D assemblies while selecting the holder, extension, and cutter files. Once your list is complete, you can use the Export Job function to ready the files for any of the available partners. Select the NC Symbol format and the zip file will be prepared, where it can then be downloaded to a specified file location. After that, back on the NC Symbol side, choose the drop-down for the Machining Cloud function again, and this time choose Import. Find the previously exported zip file of tools and hit OK. NC Symbol will read the zip file, then show a list of the present tools that you can choose to check or uncheck for importation. Additionally, choose the .tlib NC Symbol tool library that you would like to add the tools to. Upon conversion, NC Symbol will automatically update the tool library with all of the imported data, such as the tool height compensation, radius compensation, and attachment point of the assembly to the spindle in the digital twin machine. Finalize the tool library by properly matching the tool numbers to the callouts used in your posted NC code. At this point, the tools are ready to be used directly in the simulation, guaranteeing all parameters match the real-life models and making the creation process extremely easy for complexly shaped assemblies.